Experiencing an Amazon Fire Stick black screen or an unresponsive remote control can ruin your viewing experience. I personally faced these exact issues and thoroughly tested numerous solutions, finally uncovering several reliable ways to fix them, which I will share with you now. Understanding the core reasons behind these common problems is key to a lasting Amazon Fire Stick black screen remote fix. First, we tackle power and connections. Many black screen errors stem from temporary software glitches or poor HDMI communication. A simple power cycle, like restarting your phone, clears out these digital cobwebs, allowing the device and TV to re-establish a clean connection. It also ensures your Fire Stick gets a fresh, stable power supply, which is vital for proper operation. Next, we address remote issues. Often, a remote simply needs new batteries or to be reconnected to the Fire Stick. The remote communicates wirelessly, and sometimes that link gets broken. Repairing or using the Fire TV app helps confirm if the remote itself is faulty or if the connection just needs a refresh. Third, we look at your display and software. Incorrect TV input settings or outdated Fire Stick software can easily cause a blank screen. Updating the system or performing a factory reset helps remove corrupted files or bugs that prevent the display from showing up correctly. Finally, we consider advanced power workarounds. Fire Sticks are sensitive to consistent power. Using the correct power adapter directly into a wall outlet rather than a TV's USB port ensures the device receives enough power to run smoothly. This prevents underpowering, which often leads to freezing or the dreaded black screen.